Hey there, how's it going? Rohan Dhawan here, and I'm talking directly live from my apartment in Glasgow, UK. Now, I just want to thank you really quickly for joining this really awesome Facebook advertising for e commerce course, okay? Now, trust me, when you go around the internet, people will try to charge you way over $1,000 in order to reveal the exact same information, okay? But the best part is that I'm giving it to you all for free, okay? Now, the only thing that I expect you to do is just simply follow me on the social media channels that I specify, and also, if you still need help, feel free to schedule a call with us and one of our team members, and we would be more than happy to help you out, okay? And till then, just simply enjoy the fabulous course that you have in front of you, and make sure to make a lot of sales and a lot of money. Take care.